isang issue about yung malicious edge case. Yung you kill because you hate your parents.
Yun. Kasi nga, 'di ba at some point, the juvenile justice kasi, pwedeng ano, tawag nito, i-punish yung parents. 'Di ba?
Gamitin nila yon.
Tama? Kasi
Kasi,
ano, pwede kasing yung parents ang magdusa, no? And with the strict call pa nga na mas magkaroon ng involvement ang parents dito sa case na mga ganito, yung double edge kasi it's more on I hate my parents. So I'll do this so they will suffer.
so in other words, they'll weaponize the law. Kasi alam
Yes,
nila
they
na
wait in it.
if they will
Yes.
do something bad, hindi sila yung maikukulong, pero yung magsasuffer, yung parents nila.
Yeah.
Kasi babayaran nila lahat. 'Di ba? Saka
Sila
yung
lahat.
psychological, ano
Kaya nga,
din.
kaya nga everything should be considered when we amend the juvenile justice.
Yun
Because
yung point natin. Oo.
yes, yes. Na
Mm-mm.
kumbaga, nandun tayo sa atin na okay, ang daming ingay ngayon, pero lahat nakafocus nga kasi sa age, di ba?
Oo, oo.
So when we
Yes.
amend, are you up for that to amend the juvenile justice?
I think it is time that we amend it, but we look beyond age.
Yes,
Oo, it's not
correct.
just age.
It's not
Yes.
just age talaga.
Oo. And then, yun nga, so, sana makonsider lahat yung, and I'm pretty sure naman, na they will look into this. They'll look into it so that hopefully, yun naman yung beauty nung legislation, pwedeng ma-amend yung
Mm,
batas. Work in progress pa rin siya, di ba? Although, yes,
yeah.
let's just hope that all angles are studied and that it will benefit most of
Yeah.
us.